This video will show you how to add pages to your Google site. As you decide how to organize it, you should have multiple pages that organize your digital writing this year. In order to make changes, you need to go up to the top and select this button that has a plus sign. This will allow me to create a new page. When I select New Page, I can then name your page. Depending on how you're organizing it, many students organize it by unit. So let's say we're going to make a page for The Outsiders. This will be the name of my page. Now, I'm going to keep it as a web page, and then I can decide where I want it located. I can put it at the top level, or I can put it under home, or I have the option to choose a different location. Let's say I want it to be its own page, so I'm going to put it over here and put it as a top level. I'm then going to click Create. Now you can change where they are placed later, but it needs to either go under home or create it as its own page. Click on Create and it will make the page embedded into your Google site. So now you'll see there is my home button, and right underneath that is The Outsiders. It will take you immediately to this page. Now let's say you want to add a photograph or clip art into your Google site. I want to embed my Outsiders essay, but first I want to get a picture of the Outsiders novel. I'm going to go up here into Insert, and I'm going to go into Image. Again, inserting lets us put all sorts of things in there. Now I can search and upload an image from my camera roll, or I can do a web URL address. So I'm going to add an image from the web. So I'm going to go over to my Google Images, and I'm going to search The Outsiders. And I want to copy the book title. So I look through my photographs, and there it looks like the one we read in class. I'm going to select it. I'm going to right-click and click on Copy Image URL. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go back to my Google site, if I can find it. This is what happens when I have too many tabs open. One of these tabs. There it is. So I'm going to paste it in. And notice that as soon as I post that in, it pulls up the clip art, and then I click OK. And now I can decide if I want it in the center, if I want it a little bit smaller because it's kind of big, and I can add text and things like that. So I'm going to click out of that, and now I have a nice graphic. You can, again, either upload images or save them onto your downloads and put it into there, or just copy a URL address. So that's how you make a new page and add images.